Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy low chignon hairstyle. To start, we're going to divide the hair from ear to ear and just pop this in a clear elastic band. Gently pinch and pull at the crown area just so that ponytail isn't as tight. And then we're going to just split the hair that's hanging down in half. So starting on the left hand side, smooth it out with your fingers, bring it up and over the ponytail, wrap it underneath and round to the side, and then we're just going to secure this to that ponytail with another clear elastic band. And then we're going to repeat it for the right hand side, so just smooth the hair out with your fingers, bring it over the top of that ponytail, wrap it underneath round the back and over to the side, hold onto it tight and secure it all with another clear elastic band. Next, we're going to loosen out the side section, so just use your fingers just to gently pull them apart a little bit. Now, taking that ponytail, add another clear elastic band a few inches down from the hairline and create a little loop at the bottom. Now we're just simply going to grab hold of that elastic band and roll it under until you reach the bottom of the hairline. Hold it in place and just pin using a few bobby pins through the tunnel you've created. Make sure you do this on both sides. I've added some hairpins, but this is completely optional. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.